Clutter doesn't happen overnight. It builds quietly, one drawer, one shelf, one corner at a time. And before you realize it, your space starts feeling smaller than it actually is. In today's video, I'm sharing 20 genius Amazon organization finds to declutter your home. Practical, space-saving solutions designed to bring structure back into your everyday routine. These are smart, functional upgrades that help you maximize storage, reduce visual mess, and create a cleaner, calmer environment. As always, you'll find every product link conveniently listed in the description below. So let's start organizing your home with this 5-tier Medicine Organizer. Because messy health drawers? Total chaos. This tiered design expands into multiple compartments, letting you separate prescriptions, supplements, first aid kits, and daily vitamins without mixing anything up. This sturdy top handle makes it easy to carry during emergencies or daily routines. Transparent layers improve visibility instantly. It just feels safer when everything's structured. Durable construction keeps items upright and secure. Expect around $30 to $40, and this instantly upgrades your wellness storage system. Right after that, this wooden phone docking station transforms this nightstand into an organized command center. Instead of scattered keys, wallets, watches, and tangled charging cables, this keeps essentials parked neatly in dedicated slots. This natural wood finish adds warmth while maintaining a clean, minimalist aesthetic. You know how hectic mornings get? This reduces that scramble completely. Multiple compartments improve functionality without adding bulk. Typically priced between $35 and $50, this balances premium style with everyday practicality. Meanwhile, for packed closets, this foldable clothes and blanket storage bin solves hidden clutter effortlessly. This reinforced handle supports heavier loads, making it easier to pull down from upper shelves. Structured side panels prevent sagging, so folded linens stay neat instead of collapsing. Seasonal wardrobe swaps suddenly feel organized. Breathable fabric protects against dust while allowing airflow. When not in use, this folds flat for compact storage. Expect about $20 to $30 per set, and this maximizes vertical closet space efficiently. Up next, this double laundry hamper creates an instant sorting system inside this bedroom or laundry area. This dual compartment layout separates lights and darks automatically, saving time before washing. This fitted lid keeps clothes discreetly hidden, reducing visual clutter. Removable inner bags simplify transport to machines. Laundry feels less overwhelming already. Slim vertical structure increases capacity without consuming floor space. Usually priced between $40 and $60, this improves workflow while keeping spaces looking clean. Now this one's clever. This makeup organizer elevates countertop organization with both protection and structure. This enclosed lid shields cosmetics from dust, while tiered compartments and drawers keep skincare, brushes, and palettes separated neatly. You know how frustrating cluttered vanities can be? This fixes that instantly. Clear panels allow easy product visibility without constant rearranging. Compact yet spacious, this fits comfortably on smaller counters. Pricing generally ranges from $25 to $45, making this a smart beauty storage upgrade. Let's keep that momentum going with this hanging jewelry organizer, because tangled necklaces? Hard pass. This double-sided roll features clear pockets and sturdy metal hooks, keeping pieces visible and not free. This hangs neatly inside closets or behind doors without using shelf space. Finally, no more missing earrings. Lightweight yet surprisingly spacious, it stores bracelets, rings, and statement pieces securely. Expect around $20 to $30, and this keeps accessories effortlessly organized. Shifting gears a bit, this foldable manicure table delivers serious function without overwhelming this room. This wall-mounted design folds down smoothly when needed and rests flat against this wall when not in use. That's efficient space planning. Built-in shelves and storage compartments keep polish, tools, and accessories organized within reach. Sturdy construction supports daily use without wobbling. Perfect for small apartments or home nail studios. Expect pricing around $120 to $180, depending on finish, size, and storage configuration. Here's another smart upgrade for compact laundry zones, this wall-mounted drying rack. Instead of bulky floor stands blocking movement, this extends outward when needed and folds flush against this wall afterward. This durable frame supports wet garments securely while promoting better airflow for quicker drying. You know what makes a difference? Smart vertical usage. Installation stays simple, but daily convenience feels major. Pricing usually falls between $35 and $60, making this ideal for apartments, balconies, or tighter homes. Now this one feels genuinely next level. This Food Cycler Eco 5 converts food scraps into dry, odorless residue within just hours. No outdoor compost bin, no lingering smells. That's impressive efficiency. This 5-liter capacity handles everyday kitchen waste easily, dramatically reducing trash volume. Compact footprint fits neatly on countertops without dominating space. Quiet operation keeps this kitchen peaceful. Expect pricing around $300 to $400, but this seriously elevates sustainable living at home. Now let's talk about this 5-tier plant stand, because vertical styling changes everything. Instead of spreading pots across floors and window edges, this stacks greenery upward in a structured, balanced display. This multi-level layout maximizes sunlight exposure while preserving open walkways. Instant visual upgrade, ideal for corners, balconies, or living rooms. It organizes plants while enhancing decor. Expect pricing around $50 to $90 depending on material and size, and this brings clean structure to indoor greenery. And if you're already spotting favorites, every single product is waiting for you down in this description below. Go grab yours and start transforming your space. Continuing from that vertical mindset, this underbed storage container captures space most people ignore completely. This low-profile design slides smoothly beneath beds, while built-in wheels make access effortless. No more dragging heavy bins across floors. Stackable and foldable construction keeps off-season clothes, shoes, or linens neatly sealed with protective lids. Clear panels help you see contents instantly. Expect pricing around $30 to $60 per set, and this turns hidden floor space into functional storage. And taking that hidden storage idea further, this adhesive cabinet door organizer uses overlooked interior surfaces brilliantly. Instead of stacking container lids in messy piles, this mounts securely inside cabinet doors without drilling. That's renter-friendly and smart. This slim frame holds lids upright and accessible, freeing shelf space instantly. Installation takes minutes, but impact feels major. Usually priced between $15 and $25, this solves one of kitchen's most annoying daily frustrations. Now shifting into hygiene upgrades, this UV toothbrush sanitizer keeps daily essentials cleaner automatically. This mounted unit uses UV light to eliminate bacteria while doubling as a compact holder. You know how toothbrushes just sit exposed? This fixes that. It keeps counters tidier while improving sanitation quietly in the background. Rechargeable and space-saving, it blends into modern bathrooms effortlessly. Expect around $25 to $40, and this adds peace of mind to your routine. Right inside crowded closets, this shelf divider creates instant structure without remodeling anything. This slides onto existing shelves, separating stacks of sweaters, jeans, or handbags so they stop toppling over. No more leaning piles collapsing sideways. Clear acrylic or metal designs keep everything visible and upright. Installation requires zero tools, which makes setup ridiculously easy. Pricing typically ranges from $20 to $35, and this keeps closet shelves looking boutique-level organized. Deep inside dresser drawers, this Undergarments organizer brings serious order to small essentials. This compartment system separates bras, socks, and underwear into defined sections so nothing gets tangled. Opening drawers suddenly feels satisfying instead of chaotic. Soft yet structured material keeps shape without taking extra space. Foldable design allows quick removal if needed. Usually priced between $15 and $25, this makes everyday routines smoother and way more efficient. Near entryways, this shoe cabinet storage instantly removes that everyday floor clutter. This slim vertical design conceals multiple pairs behind smooth flip-down drawers, keeping walkways open and hazard-free. You know that chaotic shoe pile by this door? Completely handled. This enclosed structure shields footwear from dust while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. Interior compartments keep pairs separated and upright, ideal for apartments or narrow hallways. Expect pricing around $100 to $180, and this creates a polished, organized first impression. After that, this Bedsheets Organizer delivers that hotel-level precision effortlessly. This structured storage case keeps fitted sheets, flat sheets, and pillowcases bundled together in one compact unit. No more digging for matching pieces. Clear viewing panels allow quick identification while maintaining neat stackability. Durable fabric protects linens from dust without compressing them excessively. Lightweight yet structured, it maximizes shelf efficiency. Typically priced between $20 and $35, this transforms chaotic linen storage into streamlined organization. Over in laundry spaces, this rolling basket system upgrades sorting efficiency immediately. This dual compartment layout separates whites and colors automatically, reducing prep time before washing. That's smart workflow. Removable fabric bags lift out smoothly for easy transport, while built-in wheels glide without scratching floors. Tall, narrow framing increases capacity without spreading outward. Sturdy handles improve maneuverability. Usually priced between $50 and $80, this keeps laundry organized, mobile, and far less overwhelming. Now within compact work areas, this folding desk introduces flexibility without sacrificing function. This rolling frame moves smoothly between rooms, while lower storage shelves hold laptops, books, or office supplies securely. Productivity just found breathing room. When not in use, this folds neatly to reduce footprint instantly. Sturdy construction ensures stability during writing or computer work. Ideal for apartments or multi-purpose spaces. Expect pricing around $90 to $150, making this a practical, space-conscious workstation solution. And finally, for closet efficiency, this space-saving hanger system maximizes vertical rod capacity intelligently. This cascading design allows multiple garments to hang in one slot, dramatically reducing horizontal space usage. You know that packed closet frustration? This eases it fast. Durable construction supports heavier clothing without bending or warping. It works especially well in apartments, dorms, or shared wardrobes. Usually priced around $15 to $25 per pack, this compact upgrade delivers surprisingly significant breathing room. Alright, that wraps up these 20 genius Amazon organization finds designed to declutter your home and maximize every inch. And as always, every product is waiting for you down in this description below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite pick, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart finds.